Structural directives. Till now, whatever we have discussed, ho gaya then, right or not? This is a good one, ma. Very good. Next, someone did online. I am really happy. Online, so many people are coming, bringing it. I did not expect online this many people will do. Naresh IT.netlify. Click on this model. Oh, see this guy. Pendiala Rakshit. When I click on it, he's showing me something bigger. Instructor-led training room, expert trainers, flexible schedule, industry-specific thing, e-learning schedules. About Naresh IT. That's nice. Very good. Thanks for promoting. Now next. Oh, Aki did 3 programs. How you will have that much time, Ray? Good. She did 1 program per day. If and see in this also same. If is there, switch is there, and for is there. Okay. Now next, last but not least, Murali Krishna. Not she. I am he, sir. I'm sorry, Aki. He. Oh, counter program. That's nice. Go here. Saru. Saru did the same horror list with a nice 3D logic. Good. Online, I got it today more than 10, and I'm happy with it. What about offline, sir? Offline, I want it. Offline. Anyone from offline? One person हो गया. Remaining. Give- Huh? Rani? Rani? Dalini. Dalini. I forgot your name only. Yes. 4. Dot netlify. Dot app. Ng if Toda CSS needs to be done. See, they are congested, not looking great, but still. Number 1, 5. Number 2, 6. Add. It will come number 11. Perfect. What if I click on subtract, multiply, divide? This is working nice, but looking not good. I wanted to make it look good. Okay, nice. Next, any other? Vivek hyphen log netlify.app. I will repeat all the things. Don't worry. Okay, whatever we discussed. One more time. Now click here to register. Click here to login. Click here to register and login. Register. Oh, it is showing one pop-up for registration. It is looking good, right? Design. The only problem is why it is showing it down. I have to go. It should be something up only. But anyway, height, maybe height wish. 18 plus, obviously 18 plus. Male, obviously. Something, something. Why mobile number is taking this? Now, click here, login. Nice. It's looking good. Any more? Sai, movies, app. I am gonna do the same things what we discussed till now only one more time today also. Don't worry. Okay. I wanted everyone to be perfect. One more time I will tell. I love this Ray. This guy did everything. Let's click on horror. Horror movies comes. Comedy. Huh? You have to click this. Uh-huh. Then if I click on family entertainer, it will come family entertainer. Mahesh. Yeah, we'll see that Mahesh. Don't worry. Now this one is looking good, Ray. Nice, nice. You did it so you did it good. Only the thing is most people forgot to do one thing. Most people. You know what they forgot to do? Changing the icon here. When you create the app should have your own favicon. I hope you all know where you can change it. There is a main index.html. Go there and change it. Okay? Now, let's try it, sir. Now, let's see. Previous class links. I don't think previous class links will be available, ma. Only demo class links will be available always. Now, let's go here down. Let's start it here. Let me show you everything one more time, sir. Till now, whatever the topics we have discussed, sir. Topics. .txt. Give the width of the image, sir. Set the content, sir. छोड़ दो रे. You will set that. कुछ नहीं होता ना. Now, main goal is for about ng for, not about the content. Anyway, now I'm gonna show it like what are the topics we discussed here. One more thing, and sir, notes about the notes. See, your notes will be inside the drive link. Offline people can get it outside only the drive link, right? Did you guys get it, ma? If you say it, you will get it actually. Why it is not showing it? Drive. Go here. Drive. Angular 730. See, in Angular 730, this is the file thing, ma. Just check it. You will get the link outside also. Okay, drive link. Okay, and in case if you are not having it, just in case I'm telling it, I will copy this. I will provide the link in the GitHub. Okay, drive link .txt. Clear? So in GitHub, you will when you go here GitHub, there you can see that. Okay. Now let's see the topics, sir. First, we have started. We understand something called TypeScript. In TypeScript, data types, data types. Oops. These are the main concepts we have discussed. Next, completely whatever I discussed is inside one PDF called TypeScript.pdf, which is there here. In this PDF, complete data is there, sir. See, in this PDF, completely from installing of TypeScript to ending, everything is there. But in Angular, you don't need to install TypeScript, right or not? When you install Angular, automatically TypeScript will come. If you remember, while teaching TypeScript, I used to install first a TSC TypeScript and then I used to show you. But later, you don't need to do that all struggle. Okay. Now go here. Now, next one. After this, we started Angular. In Angular, till now, what you understand, sir? Introduction, sir. Introduction, sir. Now, after introduction, sir, we have understand folders, folder structure. Now, next, we have understand data binding. Inside the data binding, one way. Inside the one way, string interpolation. string interpolation, property binding, string interpolation, property binding, or event binding. After this, we discussed something called two-way data binding, which is NG model. After data binding, we are discussing directives. Now, in the directives, we have come to conditional directives, are also called structural directives. In conditional or structural directives, sir, you will have ng if, you have ng switch, you have ng for. There are few more concepts we need to understand, like max to max in a week. Those concepts will be over. Once you understand those concepts, you will have a good idea on what is what. Then you can go for advanced one and all. Okay. This is all just basic structure when you see an angular program and all. Now, next. Today, what you are going to discuss, sir. Here, you have something called property directives. Okay. And you will have custom directives. Today, we are going to understand property directives and pipes, if possible. Okay. First, I will go with the pipes, and then while doing that, we will see if anything is there. Okay. Now, pipes is easy concept. Okay. Now, now let's start it here. Directives. I will continue the notes, and also I will write it one notes for pipes. Now, now, till now, what you have understood. Let's go here. Yesterday and day before yesterday, you understand something called ng if. What is ng if? Ng if is a structural directive which will work like if condition. You will give one condition which is true or false. If it is true, you will give one condition true or false. If it is true, if it is true, it will go inside the particular div. If it is false, it will not go. If it is false, it will not go. In the conditions, you can even give in the false conditions where to go. In the false condition, you can say where to go using else. Using else. But when you are giving else, you will give something called template reference variable. What you will give? Template reference variable. And for that template reference variable, you will define something called ng template. What you will define? Ng template. What if there are multiple conditions? What if there are multiple conditions, sir? Like else if kind of thing. You will use something called ng switch. In the ng switch case, sir, what you will do? You will take a div and you will write it here ng switch. Interesting point is ng switch will take only value. It will not take condition. Ng switch will take value. Because it is taking the value, it follows the structure called property binding. Right or not? Switch will never take condition, sir. Switch will take it one value. And each case is a condition, whether the case is matching that value or not. So that is why whenever the condition comes, we will put asterisk here. I will write it here something div asterisk ng switch case equals to data 1 statement 1 statement one bole to you can write whatever you like it code. Okay, like let's see, like here I will write something code 1. Now same thing, control C. Now here if I do here, if it is case data 2, data 3, data 4, code 2, code 3, code 4. Sir, in that code place, you will write whatever you like it, sir. In the code place, whatever you want, you will write it. Okay. There is no rule. Now the condition is like if value is matching, if value is matching with data 1, it will go to the code 1. If value is matching with data 2, it will print the code 2. If value is matching with data 3, it will print the code 3. Value is matching with data 4, it will print code 4. What if value is not matching anything? Default. I should give default here. Div ng default case. Interesting point is two things. I think you know this, but still, default case always should be last. Second point, when you give something default you don't need to give condition. It's a default code. हो गया. This is how ng switch case will work. What about ng for? Ng for is used to iterate. Ng for is used to iterate. Ng for is used to iterate certain values, okay, or a piece of code multiple times. If I go here, let sorry, here I am wrong. It's not ng default case, it is ng switch default. Now let ARR equals to 2, 5, 6, 7. And if I write it here, div ng for equals to ARR let I of ARR view. Now here I can print here paragraph value is I. This is the program we did yesterday, right? Now I'm gonna do another ng for actually. Ng if and switch are also important, but for is kind of more important because for loop we will use it most of the cases. Now I'm gonna do one more program. We will slowly increase that program in such a way that it will explain you another concepts also. Okay. Now let's try it, sir, here. I am using something called Fake Store API. There is one website called Fake Store API. If you go to Fake Store API, this is the website of Fake Store API. The Fake Store API will give you some kind of documentations. Inside this documentation, if you click on Get All Products, they will give you one endpoint. How many of you know API, sir? How to do this fetch and all? Do you know how to do this fetch and all? Actually, in JavaScript, will do JavaScript fetch, async await. If you know that, if you try it on your own, it will work nicely. Okay. I am doing static data. In future, we will do something called HTTP client. At that time, I will show you. But still, okay. Anyway, I am going here. I have so much data, sir. I will take this all data. Control C. Go here. Control C. Go here. Now, next. Let's start here. Start my program. Inside the projects. Let's start here. Fake store. Terminal. For the people who did not remember, again, one more time. Terminal. Now, new terminal. Inside this, I am inside PowerShell. Okay, so delete. And here, click on this command prompt. I don't want PowerShell. I am inside command prompt now. CLS. Now here, go to the folder. I am inside 730 Angular. So go to first Angular. Then go to projects. Go to Angular. Then go to projects. Any doubts, ma? No. Next. Oh, here I created. You can even see, you can even create the folder. Inside the folder, you can install it. Or if you give the name, automatically Angular only will install it. You can do both the ways. Okay. Now here, np, sorry, ng, na? ng, new, fake store, dash dash, standalone equals to false. CSS, no. Now it is just installing itself. Ritesh is asking how to get the data again. I will go to this website. This is the link. When you go to any website, you have to check it which endpoint is having the link. When I go to this link, it have the data. Online, I am giving this data. There are so many ways, Ray. Like in online, if you type it sample JSONs, you will get so many. But I am giving the link for the people who want data. Okay, copy it. Control C, copy. Now go here, sir. For you, you may not. It may not show you something nice like this. I am using an extension called JSON formatter. I'm using an extension called JSON formatter. That is why it is showing it nicely formatted me. Now, okay, go here. It is installed, sir. CLS, CLS. Now, nice. Let's start here. CD, fake store. First thing, sir, when you install the application, what do? Run it. ng server dash o. Would you like to continue? Yes. Obviously, this is the basic point. This is the basic one. So I want to edit it, sir. Go here. Go inside here. Go to fake store. Go to SRC. Go to the APP. Go to the HTML. Go here. Control A. Delete. Is it clear, sir? Any doubts, my here? Any doubts here, sir? No. Let's do it, sir. Now I'm gonna take it here. This. Now this is my TypeScript. This is my CSS. This is my HTML. Now in TypeScript there is one title. By default, title will come. I don't want it, so I'm deleting it. Sir, if you don't delete anything happen, kuch nahi. You don't want it, you delete it. There is no problem only. Now I am adding one array called products. What is array name? Products equals to, I will paste the thing. This is what I copied. This 285 lines, I copied it from somewhere. So I'm pasting it. When I go here, it will come some 10 products. Now remove this comments. This is the array. And also always understand when you are giving the array, it's better if you give it some kind of array here. I am giving it here any. This is the any array. Okay, simple. If you don't give also, by default TypeScript will take it. But sometimes it will assume something never instead of any. That's why I'm habituating it. Sir, using any multiple times is not a good practice, sir. I'm telling it. Because any basically what it will do, it will remove the TypeScript. Right or not? But why you are doing it, sir? So that it will not get any errors. Simple. Okay. If you wanna try it without the any, so that you will face some difficulties and bring it to me. Whatever the difficulties you are facing, I will explain you them. Okay. Now let's start, sir. Let's print them, sir. Very good. Let's see. H1 products. Now I'm gonna use one div. Inside the div products. So this div contains all the products. Inside this, I will write div product. This is the each div, each product ka div. Now, in the second div, I will use something called ng for. Let I of, what is the array name? Products. Sir, every time it's not necessary that it has to be I only. You can put whatever the name you like it, sir. Online, any doubts till now? Online, any doubts till now? No? No. Now, let's see here. Now, let's start. Let me print all of them products first, and then we'll see the today's concept. Now, how to do that? IMG tag SRC equals to, you can write it here, P, inside the P dot, P is one product tray. Inside the P, what is the image? Image, P dot image, alt, P dot title, image is हो गया, and image I will give some height 200. Next, h2 p dot title, and then next paragraph price, price, p dot price, button, add to cart. Now let's see my output. देखो, it's easy. Now go here, go to CSS, go to CSS. Let's write it here. Uh, products, display grid, grid template columns, repeat 3 comma 1 fr, uh, gap 20 pixel, product, product. Um, each product will have padding 20 pixel, border radius 20 pixel, box shadow 2 pixel, 3 pixel, black. Now display flux, flux direction colon, justify content center, align item center. Okay. Now H1 to be center. This is a simple thing, sir. I'm not doing any big things. Any doubts here? Any doubts here? No. Now, now let's go here. Let's understand. There are two directives. There are two directives which are called. Where is this? Huh. Next, property directives. Property directives. There are two directives. Two property directives are there. There are two property directives. By default, these are default functions. You don't need to worry. Same like ng for ngif default. These are called ng class, ng style. These are called ng class and ng style. Ng class and ng style ma. Now, what is the use of ng class and ng style? Ng class and ng style are used to give multiple classes or multiple styles dynamically. Did you remember we gave class name dynamically? Did you remember like when we do it ng if something kind of one? I used starting, I used string interpolation something. I gave the class name dynamically, property binding at that time. Similarly, you will give something called ng class and you will give dynamically class name, sir. Okay. Now let's try it here. If you want to give multiple class names, ng class is a directive used used to give class names multiple multiple you can give multiple class names at a time. Okay, multiple at a time. Ng style is a directive used to give multiple styles at a time. And this style is used to give multiple styles at a time, sir. Now, now go here. I am having some CSS dynamically once. Let's go here. I have something called BG color. BG color, it's a one property. BG color is something called red. What is the value of BG color? Font size. There is one variable named font size, which is having eight something kind of 32 pixels. There are two properties. These two are variables, right or not? These two are variables, right or not? Now these variables, I want to give it using style. These variables, something x and y, something two variables. Okay. Now, how do I give it? Go here, go to here. Now, I can give here style, ng style. Why don't you use style only? The problem is style will be used when you are giving it based on some kind of conditions. Okay. But this one is used when you are giving multiple properties. Ng style is like you are giving multiple properties. Now here I will give one multiple properties. First one, background color. Background color. What is the value of background color? BG color. Why it is showing error? Eh? Error occurs in template. Right? It should be exactly similar. Background color. Maybe the property wrong. Give double braces. I don't think so. Double braces is for string interpolation. Ng style. Opening div not terminated. But still, this one is not taking it from here to here. This braces is not taking. BG color is some value. You will give whatever the color you like it. What if I give red directly? No. See, unexpected closing block. The block may have closed earlier, or why the block is closed earlier. So go to the official documentation of Angular. Type it here. Ng style. Built-in directives. I write it here ng style. This is a standalone application anyway. This is the same thing. See, okay, ng style font size. Now, why it is accepted? Why previous one is not accepted? Both are same, na? I'm confused. Background color is not taken, but font size is taken. Is it because of single double? Maybe that is the point. See, inside the double, if you are using the double, I understand it. What happened? Okay. Now it will not work. Now it will work. Okay. Background color, BG color. देखो syntax में कोई wrong नहीं है. The problem is देखो here earlier you know what happened. Here also I give double quotation only. So what it is thinking is the Angular is thinking it like double braces started here and double braces ended here. Are you getting my point? So it is thinking that the div is closed here only and this is all over extra. And that is why it cannot able to read this one. And it is saying an error like the div is not having in a right arrow. It's not closed. Are you getting the error, ma? The error is like when I put double quotation and inside again double quotation, it is thinking that the double quotations is closed. Okay. But instead, inside the double quotation, you should use single quotation, or inside the single quotation, you should use double quotation. That approach will be better. So now perfect. Now if I go, can you see all elements are getting font size? All elements are getting some font size 30 pixel and background color red, right or not? Are you getting my point, sir? And see, I don't want to ruin it, but my point is why I gave it like that, because you can get the styles from the TypeScript, the style values, and multiple styles if you want to give like that using some condition that is called ng style. What it is called ng style, or you can give it based on a condition also. Like for example, is heading. I will say true or false. If it is true, sir, if it is true, it will have more one. If it is not, it will have less one. See, I will check one condition. Is heading. Font size, if it will check it like condition. Is heading is a condition, not true or false boolean value. If is heading is true, give the value 48 pixel. If each condition is false, give the value 24 pixel. Can anyone tell me what is the font size now? Each setting is true. What is the font size? Now देखो 48 pixel आ गया. Now I will go here and I will make it each heading false. And I go here. Automatically they became 24. Are you getting my points? So the dynamic values you can give it in styles also, but when you wanna give multiple things, you will use something called ng style. Ng, same thing. Why don't I use it ng class? Same thing. You can do it for class also. Here, sir, what if I wanna give a class name here? Ng class. Just a minute. I think charging. Now, same thing. You can even give ng class, sir. Ng class, and you can give different class names here. For example, class name X, or I will give like light or dark. Mm. Is dark. If is dark is true, if is dark is true, what will happen automatically? Class name. What will be the class name, sir? If is dark is true, what will be the class name? Dark. Class name is dark. Now go here. I put it. His name is dark only. Now I will go here. Right click, inspect. Now you can see all are having. Uh, it is having, why it is having it something named object. No. See, it is having class name. Can you see here? Class equals to product space dark. Class equals to product space. I gave it class name product directly, and I gave an another class name. I gave an another class name which is called ng class. Ng class can be used for multiple things. What if you want to give an another class? Comma, you will give an another class. You may think that is easy, but this is one of the powerful feature. Why, sir? Because what if based on the data, if I'm getting male, I will get it in one color. In the API, if the data is female, I wanted to show it in a different color. If they are having aged less than 18, I want to show them in one color. If they are having age greater than 18, I will show them in different color. Now products which are having price more than 300 will be in one class, and less than 300 will be in one class. These kind of all conditions you can make it now. Are you getting my point, sir? Are you all understanding, ma? Like this dynamic classes, you can make it using ng class and ng style. Ng class and ng style. Does anyone? Oh, sorry. Why did I paste it here now? Does anyone have any doubts, my here? Does anyone have any doubts till now, sir? No. Now let's come to the another concept. Online, is it clear, ma, till now? Good. Now let's go, sir. It is a just an extension topic. Now there is an another thing, sir. Listen, there is an another thing. Actually, directives are not over. Third directive is there, custom directive. We will discuss the custom directive later. Custom directive बोले तो I can create my own directive. Prasad, NG Prasad I can create. Same like NG if, NG for this which NG model, sorry, NG class, NG class, NG style, NG model. I can create NG Prasad which will alter the DOM dynamically. Whatever the tags which have NG Prasad automatically will become red color. Those kind of thing I can try it. Okay, that is custom directive. We will do it, user defined one. Okay, till now any doubts? No. Okay, now Sana, how to extract data from fake store? I already gave you a link. Just go to that link. Data will be there. Now go here. Now next concept, sir. This concept is very important. This concept is very important, and you will understand it very simple also. In 10 minutes you will get it. Itna easy topic it is. Listen to that. That is called pipes. Pipes are used to transform the data data. Pipes are used to transform the data using a pipe transform method. Pipes are given. Pipes are given. Pipes are given with pipe symbol. We will use some pipe symbol, which is like this is the pipe symbol, sir. This is the pipe symbol. Straight line. That is called pipe symbol. Now, pipes are like really water pipes only. Now, what is this pipe will do? Now, let me give it here how the pipes will be. You all know this. Take this pipe. This is literally one pipe, right or not? What those water pipes will have, or any pipes basically, pipe will have something like input. Somewhere water will see. Pipe will not create water. Understand this. Pipe is just a medium to transfer, right or not? Pipe will not create the water or generate it. Some input water is coming. In these pipes, what they can do? They can clean the water, they can refresh the water, or they can add some minerals to the water, or they can even increase the force. If the pipe is narrow, the force will be increased. If the pipe is something longer, diameter wise, so that the force will decrease. You know that basic physics, right? So somehow something pipe will do some changes and then will give you output. So it's up to pipe which pipe can give exactly same thing which you gave only output also. Also pipe can change also. Understand this. Can pipe create anything? No. Only what the pipe will do, you give input to pipe and pipe will give the output. And that output may be changed one or not changed one. And interesting, pipe will not store it also. Pipes will not store it. Pipe is just for releasing. If you want to store it, you will block with some kind of tap. Here there are no taps concept, only the open pipes. Okay? Any doubts, ma? No. This concept, how it will be used in our thing is there are there are some default there are some default built-in pipes we can use. Okay. Now, first one, I will show you one by one. You will understand it easily. First one, uppercase. There is one pipe called uppercase. What this uppercase will convert up will do? Uppercase is used to transform data into uppercase. What is that mean? Dekho here. Now, where is this app? Now, if you see it, everyone, in this app, I'm getting p dot title. Na? Now, I'm not giving this red color ray. I'm just removing this red color. BG will be white color only. Now go here so that it will look nice. Now, everyone see this. This is the 100%. Now, are the headings are in capital letters? Is heading is completely in capital letters, ma? Is heading is completely in uppercase? No. Why? Because in whatever the data you give, sir, in that data, however it is there, it will come like that only. In the data it is not in uppercase, so it will not come in uppercase. That is simple. But if you go here, when you are printing title, you if you write it pipe uppercase, you know what will happen? All title will become automatically uppercase. Did you give uppercase, ma? Now देखो क्या हो रहा है. Now this uppercase is one pipe. This uppercase is taking the title and converting the title into uppercase and giving the uppercase answer. And you are seeing that as in output. If you give something pipe, you will not print the actual value. You will print the value which is coming from pipe. Did you get it, ma? So the pipe is taking the normal value. It is a medium. Yes, it acts like a medium. Basically, it will take some data and it will convert the data and it will give you the data. It acts like a medium. Basic logic. Now, let's go here. If I write it here, anyone guess? If I give lowercase, what will happen? If I give lowercase, what can happen? It will convert everything into lowercase, including the first letter. Actually, first letter is capital, but still it converted. Right or not? There are some defaults, sir, some built-in are there. Okay. Now already lowercase. No, they are already not in lowercase. Dekho. This is not in lowercase. F is capital. This F is capital. This B is capital. Right or not? Okay. So if you give it in capital or not capital, still it will convert it into lowercase. Simple. Where we will use this thing specifically, pipes, we will use it everywhere, wherever you wanted the data. For example, price. Dekho. You are printing price now. Everywhere see this. You are printing price. What is the price value here? 695. But price will come with some symbol na? Price will with some symbol na? Sir, you can put dollar or rupee on your thing also. No. I will use a pipe. There is a pipe called currency. Sorry. Pipe should have pipe symbol. There is a pipe called currency. If you give currency pipe, automatically dollar will come. See? Dekho. Did I give dollar? So what it is taking it is, it is taking the price. It is taking the price. If I give 200, it is taking 200 and it is adding dollar in front of the 200 and giving me dollar 200. Right or not? So what if I wanted rupees? You can pass some arguments also. Actually, these pipes will work with some function. You will understand when we create our own pipes, but actually pipes can able to take arguments. That means you wanted your own customization. By default, currency converts to dollar. But what if I wanted to rupee only? So you can even customize it. You can even tell colon for rupees you should pass INR. What it will become? Rupees. We can apply conditions to pipes using colon. You can apply conditions like you are passing some kind of arguments to the pipe using some colon. Why don't we use EUR? Anyone knows what is EUR? Euros. Euros. N. N is not coming. I think if you go to official documentation, you actually see things. Okay, I know only these three names. You basically we use these three only: euros, dollars, and INR. So, but if you go, every country things will be there. Angular official documentation will have this INR. Okay, now see. So, what is the basic definition of pipe? Pipe will convert your data. Pipe will convert, instead of convert, you should say transform the data. Simple. There are some pipes which they already give. They give me some data, some pipes. Okay, I can use whatever the pipes they gave, sir. Okay, now we have discussed three pipes till now. I'm gonna repeat the three pipes and then we'll cut the class, ma. Tomorrow we'll discuss remaining pipes and tomorrow we will create our own pipe. Okay, and this project will be continued for tomorrow. Is it clear, ma? Now, how many pipes are there? Eight pipes they will give default. Default built-in eight pipes are there. We can create how many we like it. Okay. Now, uppercase is one, lowercase is one. Lowercase is used to transform transform data to lowercase. Then next, currency currency is used to transform data to specific currency by taking arguments. Default is dollar. How you will give something 50 pipe currency will become $250. If I give 250 pipe currency INR, then you will get rupees 250. See, you don't need to worry about much things in Angular, because Angular you don't need to write big logics. Everything is done in HTML only. Mostly template only you will write most of the code. Okay, if you understand where and where flow is working, you will get it. Okay, this is of till now, sir. I hope you all understand it. In case if you still have doubts, you can ask me. Okay. Uh, Now, okay. This month completed Angular. No. When this course started? It takes time, actually. It takes time because we are actually going slow. We are actually going slow. It takes some kind of 2 weeks, 2 to 2.5 weeks it will take from now onwards. It's like I am excluding this week. So another 2 weeks you have to bear it. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now, actually, we are going slow. This is basic concepts only. Okay. But till now, I hope you understand. Okay. Yeah. So try to do, if you check it also in internet, understanding pipes is not a difficult task. I want you to try something, a nice app tomorrow using the pipes. Okay. In online, you will get so many JSON data. Try it, nice JSON data. Okay. That's it for today, sir. Thank you all. I will post the code in